I stay there only. Means he will be more attached to me or not?
Yes.
That is a proximity. Proximity is nearby, geographically located together, working in a same plant or same office. Normally people are going to believe that more. And he is going to say, he is a man from Pimpri, he will never speak lie. Believe it. Is it not? That is called a proximity. And as what is an the similarity is concerned, which things are so similar when you are working at a different level or even you are shipped to some other process, it's same one. When it is the things are so similar, normally your perception is going to go correct. Clear? And whenever you are organizing that particular information, sometimes people do make a mistake. When these mistakes are not rectified, your perception will go wrong. And which are these mistakes are? First one is perceptual defense. What is a perceptual defense? People do not understand the personality of others and they take their decision to fight. Like for example, a rowdy man comes from that side with big mustache, big eyes, stick in hand, dark complexion. He comes from that side and you are here. What will be your perception? Let him come, I am also prepared for it. And that man comes so near and says, hello my friend, how are you? You have made a mistake, no? You cannot conclude the personality of the person on the basis of his personality. He looks ugly. Doesn't mean that he is a rowdy. Doesn't mean he is an enemy. You are making a mistake or not?
Yes.
One has to rectify that mistake. Next is a stereotype. She had been to Italy in the last month, you know. Last month you were in Italy. I was in that plane, yes. She was in airport. She was in the luggage belt, you know, to clear her luggage. There were a lot of people. The belt was on. She was about to take her luggage. One Italian girl was there in that particular place. And that Italian girl was taking her luggage also. And there was some kind of hot exchange between Italian girl and she. Right from that occasion, whenever she sees any Italian girl, she says, Italians are hot-tempered, or all Italians are hot-tempered or what? By way of one incident, how you can conclude the personality of all Italians? Is wrong or right? That is stereotyping. People do conclude the personality of others by way of one incident. That's wrong. And next one is the halo effect. You should not conclude the personality on the basis of his first impressions. Now, when I say, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Yes. How are you?
Good.
How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? What about you? Fine. How are you? How are you? Now you tell me, there are thousands of students are in the class. If I go on doing like this, how are you? Everybody is going to say, fine. I'm fine. Or anybody is going to say, oh, I'm not fine, I'm not fine. Is going to be anybody to say? People are saying, I'm fine. It doesn't mean they are fine all the way. People are saying for the sake of saying. There must be a lot of problems for the people. In the company, a lot of people are unhappy. And people say, oh, in the morning, I talked to him, he said, I'm fine. And what I'm reading right now, at 12 o'clock, he has committed the suicide.